Years later, this is my presentation in English. Next vacation. In the next vacation, I am going to get closer to God. I am going to read. I am going to enjoy the natural landscape to the forest. I am going to go to the Kingdom Hall. I am going to eat healthy. I am going to meet my spiritual family. I am going to I am going to work in the field 3 days a week. I think I am going to go to the soccer championship. I am going to for a walk with my family. I am going to enjoy the beautiful nature. I am going to learn more vocabulary. I am going to relax at the beach. On my next vacation, I am going to Santa Marta. Attention. This is an original creation of Pauton.